Hi there. Finding the circumference of a circle is what requested in this question. So finding the circumference, they ask you to use pi as 3.14. I will mention once again that if pi is not asked to be used as 3.14 and you are allowed to use the calculator, then you need to insert shift and the button of the pi. And they want us to round our answer to one decimal place. Okay, and accordingly, okay, what is provided here is the diameter, while what I need is actually the radius. So step number 1, the radius is equal to d over 2, which means if we substitute d, so it's gonna be 3.5 divided by 2. Get rid of the decimal when you're dividing. So it's gonna be 35 over 20. Apply long division on the side. So it's going to be 35 divided by 20, 1, 20, subtract 5, 1, 15 is less than 20, so decimal 0, 7, 140, subtract 10, decimal is up there, so I can put a 0 here and it's 5, so it's 1.75 centimeter. Step number 3, write the general formula of finding the circumference of a circle. Circumference for a full circle is equal to 2 times pi times r. Step number 4, substitute in the formula. I'm going to keep at first pi as pi times, what is the radius? It's 1.75. So if you multiply 2 times, so 175 times 2, so we know the answer is going to be 3.5. So it's 10, 14, 15, 3, decimal here, 1, 2, so 5, C, it's going to be 3.50 pi, and the length of the arc is in centimeter, not centimeter square. This is the length of the arc. Now, this is the answer in terms of pi. So step number 6, C is 3.50 times 3.14, which is the pi. I'm going to replace the pi as 3.14, and then I'm going to multiply here. Ignore the decimals, so it's 350 times 314. 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 5 is 20, 4 times 3 is 12, 2 is 14. Cross this one out. 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 3 is 3, 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 3 is 9, and 1 is 10. Zt. Bring this one down is 0, bring this one down is 0. 4 plus 5 is 9, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 0, 1. Decimal here and decimal here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the final answer will be C is equal to 10 centimeter. I repeat, it's centimeter. Okay, they asked us to round it to 1 decimal place. So this is my decimal, this is my tenths, the first place, decimal place, and there is a 9 to the right, so it's gonna get my 9 up. So I'm gonna put 1 here. So the final answer will be 11.0 centimeter. So my answer in terms of pi is 3.50 pi centimeter. The answer after I insert pi as 3.14 and I proceed with my calculation is 10.99, and rounded to 1 decimal place is 11.0. And remember that the measurement unit for a circumference is centimeter, not centimeter squared, because it's the length of the arc. Thank you.